Horses out, Yabalay, Alay, pass to begin, moving up in the middle, Sauvignon, Eagle swings, then followed over by Henry Sugar, he's the man, Dancing Storms, and Action Sailor is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, now we have Eagle swings, running on the outside, running by the second is Sauvignon, 3 lengths, watching them, Alay, Alay, then followed by Henry Sugar, Dancing Storms, he's the man, and Action Sailor trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Eagle swings by about 3 lengths. Sauvignon still in second, trying to get closer now in third. Alay Alay, Henry Sugar. Dancing Storms is running by Drell, then comes He's the Man and Action Sailor. Eagle swings by only a neck, moving up Dancing Storms, and on the outside Sauvignon. Then followed by Henry Sugar, Alay Alay, He's the Man comes next, and Action Sailor. Henry Sugar, Dancing Storms fighting it out for the lead. Sauvignon is on the outside turn. Alay Alay, then comes He's the Man, but it's still Dancing Storms by about 2 lengths. Sauvignon in second, moving up by Drell. He's the Man, Alay Alay, entering the finish line. It's number 1, Dancing Storms. Second, Sauvignon, Alay Alay, then comes number 2, Henry Sugar. He's the Man.
Sabi sa akin ni Dancing Storms, hindi ka kumbinsido?